inpatient pharmacy, single-dose packaging machine, and verification system. Iron-Tech automatic packing machine includes medication storage unit, non-machine storage unit, and packing unit. Various models, such as 320 and 400 storage spaces, are available upon request. Storage location lighting prompts ensure accurate medication dispensing. Visualized design of medication storage positions on both sides, adding medication without stopping. The external dispensing unit meets the storage needs of non-whole tablets and non-commonly used medications, using a dual tray design for alternating use, ensuring continuous medication dispensing without stopping the machine. Full process video recording of drug dispensing ensures accurate packaging. Low temperature packaging ensures medication safety. The front side drug dispensing outlet can be customized according to requirements. The machine is equipped with a dehumidification system to ensure drug storage safety. The entire process is intelligently supervised and operated for accuracy and efficiency. Intelligent single-dose oral medication verification machine. Dual verification ensures 100% patient medication safety. Matching prescription information. Checking drug information bag by bag. Can provide real-time error prompts to identify drug quantity, size, profile, color information, etc. Meanwhile, drug verification information is informatized and controlled, allowing for tracking and tracing. Effectively improves operational efficiency, reduces errors, and simplifies management difficulties.